the Hardell Rotary Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The reason I got this, probably getting tired of hearing it, is because of my miniatures, but you can use it for much more than just that. I'm looking to do a lot of sanding, fine detail work, and the rating on this was pretty nice. So it's rated 4 volts to battery, whatever, 2000 mAh. The charging port is just C port. It is USB, so not burning through batteries, and it's supposed to last quite a while. Oh, that case is nice. So here's the little tool kits that come with it. I shouldn't say toolkit, I apologize. The accessories that come along with the tools. So you have, this is obviously the wrench, so you can tighten and loosen everything on it. But here's all the little sanders. You have little polishing discs, depending on what your goals are. You have cutting discs, cutting sanders, little metal cutter. This is like, these are router types. These are these are grinders, and these are polishers. And these are also like router tips, to where you can form, shape, make designs, and then obviously you have your drill bits as well. And these are the adapters for the different sizes that you have. So if you have specific other name brands, not to be mentioned, you can use those adapters to make them work as well. So the case is nice. These ought to last quite a while. I like how this is set up. Oh, it's all nice, and let's bungee this. Check out this bad boy. Oh, it's got some heft to it. I like that. I like the orange. I like the color of it. It has different power ranges. It is quiet. Oh, that's nice. Oh, so the lowest level is, I could actually stop it pretty easy, but even on level 2, it creates quite a bit of friction. So it's got some torque to it. So that's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Ooh, that's got some, it's got some torque. So this is obviously where you charge it, but yeah, it feels nice and durable. It's comfortable in the hand. So if you got to do fine detail work, grab it with both. So and here comes the charging cord. Pleasantly surprised. I'll probably do a follow-up review just to see how well it's doing and lasting, but I have a sneaking suspicion this thing is going to last for quite a while. So if you're looking to get you a little cordless rotary tool, I would look into this guy. It definitely is going to take care of the work for you, and I think it's going to last quite a while.